Hey everyone, welcome back to Folding with Judy, where I show you simple, creative, and satisfying ways to fold your belongings like a pro in minutes. Over the years, many of you have tried my bath towel rolling techniques, but I've heard that rolling thick bath towels can be a bit tricky. Well, I listened, and today I'm going to show you the best way to roll these thick bath towels with ease. So let's get started. The towel I'm using has an 820 GSM, which means it's heavyweight and extra thick. All right, let's start rolling. Step 1. Lay your towel horizontally on a flat surface with the entire towel open and smooth. Make sure there are no wrinkles. Step 2, take the top left corner and fold it down, meeting the midpoint of the towel, creating a triangle, like so. Step 3, now grab the top of the towel and fold it down until it meets the bottom edge. You can start rolling now if you'd like, but I'm going to take it a step further as I did before. Step 4, now flip the towel over, turn it vertically and start rolling from the bottom. Roll tightly and clean up any gatherings or bends as you go. This is going to create a neat roll. Finally, step 5. Once you've rolled the top, tuck the last piece into the top pocket of the roll, and just like that, you're done. Alrighty, step 1, lay your towel flat with the tag side facing up. This ensures the finished roll looks clean and seamless. Step 2, fold the left and right sides into the middle of the towel, overlapping the other side just a bit, like so. Step 3, now fold down about 8 inches of the left side to create a pocket. This pocket will secure the roll later, so make it nice and even. Step 4, turn your towel vertically so it's now facing you and start your roll. Roll it snugly and evenly so it looks polished. Step 5, once you've reached the fold, tuck the rolled end into the pocket you made earlier. Just make sure you're firmly holding down the roll to prevent the towel from unraveling. Because you're working with a thick towel, you're going to use some muscle as you tuck the rolled end into the pocket, like so. This pocket roll technique is so easy and it keeps your towels looking tidy and organized. Try these folding techniques and tell me which one you like the best. Also, what's the GSM of your favorite towel? Check the tag and let me know in the comment section below. As always, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Folding with Judy, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more amazing folding hacks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy folding.